The bay leaves with cornstarch will make you look like a 16-year-old girl, no matter how old you. To start today's tip, we will take a pan and then add bay leaves. Next, we are going to add 2 cups of water. I will turn on the stove over low heat and let it boil. I'm sure you will be impressed with the ease with which this mixture is prepared and the great that many people are having with it. When the water reaches this point, we are going to remove the pot from the heat, and then we will only the liquid in another container. To do this, we will do it with the help of a strainer. Then I will remove the bay leaves. Now we are going to use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, being the second most important ingredient for a mixture. Ideally, at this stage, it will be to add a tablespoon first and mix very well until the cornstarch diluted. Then we will repeat the process as soon as it is completely diluted. I will bring all the liquid to a pot over low heat. The ideal thing is to mix constantly until the mixture takes on a little consistency. In a few minutes, we will have the ideal point, and I'm sure you will be impressed when using it on skin, as it will act directly against aging. Once at this point, we are going to remove the pot from the heat, and we will put all the mixture in another container. The last ingredient we will use is coconut oil, being the main ingredient that helps fight, directly preventing the appearance of new ones. This also works perfectly to hydrate, acting directly on the skin. And before I forget, let me know from which city or country you are watching us to send you a greeting. Today's greeting is for Salmelia from Costa Rica. I'm glad you enjoy our tips. We can separate this mixture into a small container where we can even store it. The ideal is to apply this product directly where we have wrinkles, as this is how it works best. This mixture should be used at least twice a week, preferably at night before going to sleep. You just have to massage very well until the skin absorbs the mixture completely. Just a small amount will be more than enough. This amount that we have prepared is supposed to last about a month. And best of all, it can be prepared for a very low cost, and being prepared with natural, it will not cause any problem or reaction. If you have reached this part of the video, leave me below. I will do it at home, so I will know that you stayed until the end.